How to find and access TikTok shop. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your TikTok application and get logged into your TikTok account. From here, tap onto your profile on your bottom right. Then at this page, tap on three bar icon on your top right, then tap on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way to the bottom of your page, then under support and about, tap on report a problem. Under here, tap on account and profile, then tap on profile page. Tap on to other. Then is your problem solved? Tap on no. Now under your support tickets, simply type in that you are not being able to find your TikTok shop, neither are you being able to access it. Once you do so, if you have any type of screenshot that you would like to attach, go onto this gallery option and do so. Once done, tap on to submit and stay updated on your system notification inbox in your TikTok account. And that shall fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.